Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can join Discord. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to discord.com. After you go to discord.com, you will see this type of interface. You can see login over here on the top right hand corner of your screen. Just go ahead and click on login, which is over here. Then you can see this is the login portal. If you already have your account, go ahead and log into your account. You can also log in using your QR code. Scan this code with the Discord mobile app to log in instantly. So you can see the register option over here right beside need an account. Go ahead and click on this icon over here. What this will do is lead you to the create an account page. Now what you need to do is fill in your initials and credentials. So let's go ahead and write down our email address. After you write down your email address, go ahead and write down your display name. Then you should write down your username. So go ahead and write down your username. Now you should write down a password for yourself, which you will remember, and make sure it is secure by clicking on this eye icon. The next thing you want to do is enter your date of birth. So after you have entered your date of birth, click on this. This is optional and it will send you some optional information about Discord, about its updates, tips and special offers. So you can just go ahead and exclude this or include this and click continue. Wait for a while and click on I am human, which is over here. So now you should break this pattern, so it will take some time. Let's go ahead and solve this. So as you can see, if this email address is already registered, you must add in a new email address because you cannot have multiple Discord accounts linking with the same email address. Make sure that you do the same because you will have the same problems. As this was for informational video, this is now done. So you can now see that you have now joined Discord. Now you can go ahead and continue with the process of creating your own account. Go ahead and click on create my own account, or you can create a gaming template as well. Just go ahead and create it, and there you go. You have just joined Discord. Now you can start adding your friends and you can start talking to them as well. So you can see your friends option over here. You can go here and write down your friend's name or your friend's Discord username and click send friend request. And then you can be friends with your friends and start talking to them, and they can invite to your group and you can start using Discord fully. I hope this video about how you can join Discord was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.